Now that we're in the middle of winter, we have a 0-degree day here in St. Louis. We wanted to do an experiment and show you how effective our heaters are next to an open bay door. Welcome to St. Louis in the middle of winter on a 0-degree day. We have our digital thermostat reading between 9 and 10 degrees at the dock door. As we remove the digital thermometer from the dock door and walk 25 feet, passing under one of our mid-size S-Series HTHV heaters, we immediately begin to notice the temperature difference. Employees in this area with the dock door open can work with a great amount of thermal comfort. As you will notice, the temperatures level off into the high 60s and low 70s, even though the dock door is wide open a mere 25 feet away. This will allow employees to work in this area as if it were any other day.